This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn CO, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for June 17th, 2020. Well, the markets are trying after a weaker start to the morning. Markets kind of rev back up and firmed here. Weather models are converging here with some positive moisture forecasted over the next 5 to 7 days, starting with the central U.S. and then progressing east. It will leave North Dakota, western North Dakota, a little drier than they'd like to see, so that'll be a concern point for spring wheat, but otherwise there is some good moisture. But with that good news came some news we'll need to be on edge about. Drier tones to the latter part of June and into July now through some of the long-range modeling. Tough to put a lot of confidence into that, but I think that's why the mix of emotion, along with Lighthouser coming in here and basically saying that China continues to make good on their promises and all intentions are a phase 1 trade deal is still on, as advertised via recent conversations he has had with the Chinese delegation. Corn market, as we set up 1 1/4, nice to see that, approaching that 331, need to get over it. Beans up that 4 1/4, Chicago wheat down 7 1/4, Minneapolis up 5 1/2, Kansas City down 5 3/4. Feeder cattle market up 70, live cattle up 17 1/2. Hog market pretty much steady on the day, and they just continue to coil in here. Yes, slaughter paces are getting more current. We see cutouts on the decline, but the cash undertones are weakening here, and that's not a good structure under the circumstances. We're starting to get retail shelves current again, and now we need to see consumers step up and buy the product here to really kind of keep things revving along. As we said, slaughter paces are getting back to current, but we're talking about 6-day kill weeks, 6-day-a-week kill weeks. And that's bringing some questions as we approach these holiday sectors. So again, we'll be attentive. Market's coiling here. Look for a market to snap direction here, and if we can get some positive optimism and get going here, we'll start directing those price counts and selling targets as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn CO, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.